We're excited to celebrate a project from the spring 2024 semester, Community Reimagined, the Town of Miami Downtown Revitalization Strategy. This project was made possible through a fantastic partnership between the MUEP program, Town of Miami, and ASU's Project Cities. Specifically, we're here to highlight the exceptional work of 3 individuals, Michael Wright, Alyssa Siebers, and Joseph Haggerty. Together, they've created a meaningful roadmap that not only celebrates the rich history in the Town of Miami, but also sets the stage for a vibrant, sustainable future.
In this project, my teammates and I worked with the Town of Miami, Arizona, to create a new plan for their downtown district. We talked with town staff, business owners, residents, and people from neighboring communities to better understand what they saw Miami becoming and how to create that vision.
Careful study and research led to potential urban planning and urban design solutions to reimagine the pedestrian realm of Main Street and to enhance the pedestrian walking experience along Main Street.
Innovative strategies in this were using visual preference survey, both online and in person. We were able to have extensive face-to-face, non-structured interviews with residents, and we were able to actually use SketchUp to create new visualizations for what the downtown area can be.
This project was innovative because it worked with a town with such a rich history that has struggled economically over the years, and this plan really works to capitalize on its history in future plans.
What truly makes this innovative for us as young planners was the ability for us to put realism in the back burner and to really showcase what students can create. We were innovative. We did things that potentially might not work, but at the end of the day, we made sure that we did what was best for Miami.
Hopefully, this report can serve as an example and to inspire other students to join the planning industry. And hopefully, this report can be a useful tool for the town of Miami.
As you know, Miami, Arizona is one of the oldest mining towns in Arizona. The planning project created a new opportunity for growth and bring opportunity for the citizens of Miami. I'm proud, super proud about those students that present this project. And they create the base, they create this element that is going to be the goal for the municipality of Miami.